Hello everybody! Welcome back to Needle Workshop. My name is Emily and today I'll be making Malon's shirt from the Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. As always, the pattern for this costume is available on our Etsy store, which you'll find the link for in the description box below. This is the last and final video from our Legendary Hero series, but we'll be back very soon with more patterns for you to work from, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get started. Before getting into the tutorial, please take note of the following information. If you would like some clarity on some of the terms used in this tutorial, you can find all the definition in the instruction manual provided with the pattern. In the same instruction manual, you'll find more info on how to properly take your measurements and how to tweak the pattern for your fit. Additionally, you'll find an array of useful information such as fabric and material suggestions, along with some information on the tools used in this tutorial. Also keep in mind that it is essential to make a mock-up in muslin or cheap cotton before making the costume in your real fabric. Not only does this allow you to ensure that the fit is perfect for you, it will also allow you to make any adjustments directly onto the garment. Also important to keep in mind is that all your seam allowances are 1 centimeter wide. Unless specified otherwise, all pieces are sewn together 1 centimeter from the edge. Now let's get started. Using the provided blueprint, you can paint, embroider, or applique the design using vinyl. Each technique will give you a very different look. We ended up using a vinyl applique to create our design using our blueprint. You can refer yourself to Malon's skirt tutorial for more info on how to apply the vinyl. Starting with your facing piece, overlock the front hem and then fold in half right side to right side and sew at the center back. Iron your seam allowance open. Overlock your back hem. Right side to right side, sew the front and back bodices together at the side seams and shoulder seams. Notice that the side and back seams are overlocked before doing so. Once you are done, iron the seam allowances open. Right side to right side, sew the back bodices together at the center back. Iron your seam allowance open. Pin the facing to the shirt right side to right side along the neckline. Sew in place with a straight stitch. Cut notches at the front square corners and every 1 centimeter along the rounded concave area of the neckline. Turn your facing towards the inside of your shirt and iron your edges flat. Sew the center back seams of the facing and shirt together with a stitch in the ditch. Align the armhole of your facing to the armhole of your shirt. There will be a notch at the front and back bodices indicating where the facing should align. Stay stitched in place with a straight stitch 7 millimeters from the edge. Overlock both of your armholes, making sure to overlock the facing and shirt together. To finish the hem of your bodice, fold it in by 1 centimeter twice and iron it in place. Finish with a top stitch. Next, we'll be prepping our sleeves. Start by overlocking the side seams and crown of each sleeve. Right side to right side, fold your sleeve in half and sew together at the side seams. iron your seam allowance, open. To finish the hem of your sleeves, fold it in by 1 centimeter twice and iron it in place. Finish with a top stitch. We ended up overlocking the hem and folding it in only once to keep it a little longer. This is an error on our end, but is a simple and quick save. To help position your sleeve properly, gather the crown of your sleeve slightly before placing it to your shirt. For more info on gathering, please check out our video on the subject matter. Pin the sleeves to the shirt, right side to right side, making sure to align the notches so the correct sleeve is attached to the correct side. Also notice that I am adjusting my gathers to match the length of my armholes. Sew in place with a straight stitch. Iron your seam allowance towards the shirt. And with that, we are done. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comment box below. If you like this kind of content, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more cosplay related content. If you'd like to know more about upcoming projects, feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So until next time, good luck with your projects, guys. Bye bye.